Hey, this is Danielle over at 𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐤.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make 2 easy cards using the Cricut Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock. This is a really cool product that works with the Cricut Maker 3 and the Cricut Air 3. So for this project, I started with the I Only Have Eyes for You card, and I adjusted it as needed. So I added an extra white piece and I changed the text. Next thing I did was, when I went to cut it, selected multiple ways to cut because some of this will be cardstock. You can go ahead on the right and select whether you want to use a mat or not for some of these products. For the main card, you need to use cardstock. Okay, when you go to your mat, and you can actually move things around so you use as little paper as possible. So obviously I got started with my white sheet. That was the first thing in the lineup. It did the writing on this, so it wrote happy birthday Tristan, and then it went on and cut the white sections out for me. And I'm just going to show you what this looks like on this machine. Pretty much the same as the older Cricut machines, with a few differences. As you could see, I'm not using a mat, and that's because the Smart Materials don't require one. This orange piece is Smart Materials again, and again I'm not using a mat. Now for the next piece, I didn't have the right color in the Smart Materials, so I used a mat and some cardstock. And this right here is going to be the envelope. So I used a scoring blade first. It scores the areas where you need to bend the card or the envelope, and then you have to switch out to your regular blade to cut the outline around your envelope. This blue piece is the card, and it's already been cut and scored. My favorite thing to start first is just to do the envelope because I like to give that some time to dry. So fold your envelope in all the fold marks. That's where your machine scored the paper. Now, as you can see, this is your envelope right here. So you want to make sure you get glue underneath here and here, but you don't want it up here necessarily. So glue is not my favorite. I really like the sticker stuff that Cricut made, but I also don't want to use it for things like envelopes. And if you mess up and it gets a little over, not a big deal, just don't close this yet. At the very end, you can add your glue here and close it up once your thing's inside. And what I do is I just find a couple clips like this and use them to hold this together until it dries. And I do this at the beginning. So there's a few parts to this card. This is the main base. This is cardstock. And so I want to get just fold out along the fold line. Okay. This was also regular cardstock because I didn't have the right color in the sticker cardstock. I would have used sticker cardstock though if I'd had it in the right color. Okay. It's hard to see on here, but there's actually 2 pieces of sticker on here. One is the piece that goes here, and I'm going to just peel that off. As you can see, it peels off. This is the Smart Materials, and I'm going to stick it on. I'm going to try to line it up just right. Is this right? Yeah, this is right. Okay. And as you can see, the sticker cardstock isn't just like a little thin vinyl sticker. It's actually a little bit thicker, and you can tell it's still paper. Okay, so here is the white banner piece, and I just finished up the banner there. And I am going to go ahead and place the white pieces, the stickers, from the sticker cardstock. I cut an extra white piece so both sections on the inside of the card would be writable. As for the banner, I'm using some foam tape. This helps kind of make the banner pop out a little bit. I really love how it looks, and it was really easy to apply compared to using glue. Last thing, we have our glasses, which I'm going to peel off. And I'm going to stick right on. Now, here is a Blippi inspired birthday card. The one thing I wanted to talk about with Smart Materials and this sticker paper is that you don't have to throw this away now, and you don't even have to use a mat for it. If you only peel off the pieces you need, you can reposition your next designs to go around this. So I repositioned one design for my other cuts to just go over in this section, and I placed it in the same way. At that point, I could go ahead and cut here using a paper cutter and just use it from here on. So there's a lot of ways to keep reusing this, and as long as it's the full width, the 13-inch width, the Cricut can go ahead and pull it into the machine and get it all set up properly. Just make sure your new design doesn't overlap with your old one. I had originally started this project to make an anniversary card for my husband, and I used the same exact design and just did different colors, and it came out super nice. And here's just a quick video of what that looks like. I did a project over the weekend, a different card using regular cardstock, and switching to this has made such a huge difference and made making cards so much less miserable. And I absolutely love how these came out. Make sure to check out the Smart Cardstock on Cricut.com and check out my blog, 𝐨𝐢𝐤𝐤.com. Have a great day.